BMW engines don't reach 500,000 miles by accident. They don't get there because they're lucky. And they definitely don't get there because owners follow the owner's manual perfectly. Engines that survive 500,000 miles do so because they are treated differently from day one. Not driven differently, maintained differently, observed differently, understood differently. Most BMW owners believe engines fail because of bad design, weak components, or manufacturing flaws. Mechanics see a very different reality. They see the same engines over and over again, some destroyed at 120,000 miles, others still running smoothly at 400,000 or more. Same engine family, same generation, same technology, completely different outcomes. The difference is not mileage. The difference is behavior. In this episode, we're breaking down exactly how experienced mechanics keep BMW engines alive for decades, and why the average owner unknowingly shortens engine life every single day. If you want your BMW to outlive its reputation, this episode matters more than any modification, any tune, or any performance upgrade you could ever buy. Mechanics don't think in service intervals. They think in worse cycles. They don't ask how many miles an oil change lasts. They ask how much heat, contamination, and stress that oil has already survived. BMW engines operate with extremely tight tolerances, high operating temperatures, and complex systems that are unforgiving to neglect. The margin for error is small, and the consequences of repeated small mistakes add up fast. One of the biggest differences between owners and mechanics is how they interpret engine noise and behavior. Owners wait for warning lights. Mechanics listen long before lights appear. Subtle changes in idle smoothness, cold start behavior, oil consumption, or turbo response tell an experienced mechanic more than any dashboard message. Engines speak constantly. Most drivers just don't know the language. Mechanics never rely solely on factory service schedules. They understand that those schedules are written for average usage, average conditions, and average ownership length. BMW does not design service intervals for engines that need to survive 30 years. They design them for cost perception, leasing cycles, and warranty coverage. Mechanics shorten intervals because they know that oil degradation, heat cycles, and contamination don't care about marketing timelines. Oil changes are treated as engine insurance, not maintenance chores. Mechanics know that fresh oil does far more than lubricate. It cleans, it cools, it protects seals, it prevents sludge formation. Engines that reach extreme mileage almost always have one thing in common. Oil was changed early and often, regardless of how clean it looked. Another key difference is how mechanics handle warm-up and cool down. They never rush an engine when it's cold, and they never shut it down immediately after stress. BMW engines, especially turbocharged ones, require time to stabilize oil temperature and internal clearances. Cold oil does not flow properly. Hot turbos do not cool instantly. These aren't theories, they're mechanical facts. Owners often believe gentle idling warms an engine properly. Mechanics know it doesn't. Light driving warms oil faster and more evenly than long idling. At the same time, aggressive driving before oil temperature stabilizes causes irreversible where that doesn't show up immediately. It shows up 80,000 miles later when bearings fail unexpectedly. Cooling systems are treated as critical components, not background systems. Mechanics replace cooling parts preventively, not reactively. BMW cooling systems are designed to operate near the edge for efficiency. That means aged coolant, tired hoses, weak expansion tanks, or sluggish thermostats silently shorten engine life long before overheating warnings appear. Engines that survive long-term almost never experience uncontrolled temperature spikes, even small ones. Mechanics also pay close attention to crankcase ventilation systems. PCV failures are among the most underestimated engine killers in modern BMWs. Oil consumption, carbon buildup, seal damage, and turbo contamination often begin with a neglected PCV system. Owners ignore it because the engine still runs. Mechanics fix it because they know what comes next if they don't. Fuel quality is another area where long-life engines are treated differently. Mechanics don't chase horsepower with cheap fuel. They prioritize combustion stability, knock resistance, and clean burn characteristics. Poor fuel quality increases exhaust temperatures, stresses pistons, and forces the ECU into constant correction mode. The engine survives, but where it accelerates quietly. Short trips are minimized whenever possible. Mechanics understand that engines suffer most when they never fully reach operating temperature. Moisture accumulation, fuel dilution, and incomplete combustion degrade oil rapidly. Engines that last hundreds of thousands of miles almost always see regular long drives that allow systems to stabilize and clean themselves naturally. When warning lights appear, mechanics never guess. They diagnose immediately. They don't clear codes and hope for the best. They understand that warning systems are early alerts, not late failures. Ignoring them turns manageable issues into catastrophic ones. Most engines that suddenly failed gave plenty of warning long beforehand. Mechanics also understand something owners often don't want to hear. Performance driving shortens engine life if it's not managed properly. That doesn't mean engines can't be driven hard. It means they must be driven intelligently. Proper warm-up, correct gearing, clean oil, and stable temperatures make high-load driving far less damaging than careless low RPM torque abuse. Another overlooked factor is vibration and driveline health. Worn mounts, failing transmissions, and neglected differentials increase engine stress over time. Mechanics maintain the entire drivetrain because they know engines don't operate in isolation. Everything connected to the crankshaft influences engine longevity. Perhaps the biggest difference of all is mindset. Mechanics assume everything wears. Owners assume things last until they break. That single assumption determines how engines age. Preventive maintenance is not about replacing parts early. It's about keeping stress levels low across thousands of operating hours. Engines that reach 500,000 miles are not perfect engines. They are engines that were protected from unnecessary stress, excessive heat, contaminated fluids, and repeated neglect. They are engines that were listened to, not ignored. BMW engines are not unreliable. They are intolerant of misunderstanding. They demand respect for their engineering, not fear of their reputation. When treated correctly, they outlast expectations. When treated casually, they fail exactly as critics predict. Here is the rule mechanics live by and owners rarely follow. Engines don't die from single events. They die from thousands of small decisions made incorrectly. Every cold start, every delayed oil change, every ignored warning, every short trip adds up. If you want your BMW to last, don't ask how long parts are supposed to last. Ask how much stress you are adding to them every day. That is the difference between an engine that dies early and one that becomes a legend. BMW engines that survive extreme mileage don't do so because they were lucky. They survive because someone understood them. Your engine is not fragile. It is precise, and precision rewards those who respect it.